Hello YouTube foodies, welcome to my kitchen. Look at this guys. So today I'm going to show you how I cook my Jamaican style rice and peas and how it always come out perfect. So let's cook. So to start, we start off with some dried red kidney beans. I have sauteed this, I have washed them, and here I was just showing the cup measurement that I used to measure them. Okay, after you washed your dry bean, cover them with a lot of water, enough water, like double the amount of beans. The water should be double the amount of bean, and soak them overnight, minimum 12 hours. This is the next day. The beans have plumped up nicely. We are going to discard of this water, place the bean in a big enough pan, and then I like to season my bean before cooking. Okay, so I went ahead and add in some salt and some dried thyme. You can use fresh if you have some, or any other spice that you like, but I prefer salt and thyme. Okay, and then we are going to cover this with enough water, about again double the amount of your beans. The water should be that amount. Okay, and then bring this to a rapid boil, meaning bring this up to cook this on high for 10 minutes. After boiling for 10 minutes, go ahead and reduce your heat to a simmer. A simmer simply means a gentle boil. Cover and simmer this for about 60 minutes or more, depending to the quality of your beans. The beans are ready when they are nice and soft to touch, and you can taste them, they are fully cooked. Okay, after that, set them aside. Now to the fun part. So we are going to make the base of the rice and peas. Now I like to use coconut oil. You can use any oil, but coconut oil, oh, such a beautiful flavor to this dish. Okay, so heat that up on a medium heat, and then I'm using shallot and spring onion. So we are going to saute this for about a minute until they've released their juicy and natural flavors. After 1 minute, we are going to go ahead and add in the garlic, and again saute this for another 30 seconds to a minute. Don't burn this, don't brown this. We are just releasing all this beautiful flavor into our food. Okay, so a minute, 30 seconds to a minute is more than enough. After that, we are going to go ahead and add some more seasoning. So I like to add ground pimento, some dried thyme, fresh if you have it, and again salt if you're using salt as well. And then add some coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk from the can. You can use fresh. Okay, and then heat this up, because you should always cook your rice with hot liquid. Bring this up to a gentle boil like so, and then we are going to go ahead and add in the remaining of the liquid, and here I'm using the remaining of the water that I boiled the bean in. Okay, and then we are going to add in the rice, and I'm using jasmine rice, but you can use the rice of your choice. Mix this up well, and this is the stage where you can go ahead and again taste for flavor. If you need more salt, more pimento, whatever, taste it a little bit, because at this stage it's not like you're eating anything raw or anything. Okay, so we went ahead and add now the cooked beans. If you can, guys, always use fresh, cook beans like from dry. You can use canned one, but trust me, the taste is completely different. Okay, so if you have time, try and cook your beans from scratch. Okay, so mix that in well, and then I went ahead and test my food. It's needed a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. I always use pink Himalayan salt, if you're wondering. That's why it's pink. Okay, so mix that in well, and then my secret, the thing that never failed me, is baking my rice and peas, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this, bake for about half an hour. Trust me, invest in a good oven dish. You will always have perfect rice. This has been like my lifesaver, guys. Anyway, half an hour later, I'm just checking if the water has absorbed and if the rice is fully cooked. That when you know it's ready. And ooh, Lord have mercy, look at this. This rice was so good, guys. I really hope you will give this recipe a go, and I hope you are inspired, guys. Just look at that. Fluff it up and serve. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.